Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming for Beginners. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into your Epic Games account. To sign into your Epic Games account is super easy. You can go ahead and visit the official Epic Games website or launch open the Epic Games launcher if you've downloaded it on your PC or laptops. Soon after you open up the app, you'll be welcomed with the sign-in page. To log into your existing account, go ahead and enter your email address and the password associated with your Epic Games account. You can also sign in with your console account to access your progress and purchases by choosing the options provided at the bottom. Simply go ahead and make sure you type in your credentials correct. If you don't remember your password, click the Forgot Password link and follow through the prompts. After you are done entering the credential, click on Sign In. Now click on the Continue button. Accept the terms and conditions from Epic Games, and then you have successfully logged into your Epic Games launcher. And that's it. You can now access your Epic Games library, download games, or use other services that they provide. So that's how you easily do it. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe for more tutorials from Epic Games. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.